Earlier today Iran launched drone strikes in Tel Aviv and Jerusalem as Iran said to liberate Palestine and to make this war about preserving Islam.
This message has been requested by the U.S. government, as they are officially sending troops to Israel after Iran sent drones to attack Jerusalem. The military is mobilizing and will be sent in 40 days. More news will follow soon.
You are listening to Mix 94.7 with a megahertz of 450 alert, all Russian troops and equipment has been retrieved from Ukraine. I repeat, all Russian troops and equipment has been retreated from Ukraine. We don't know if Russia is planning something big.
CHINAATTACK95 USAMASCTOHWARPLESCHEMPUSASOCHINAISUSNDILW 第166 4 ENDW 第171 2 W 第174 6 ROPSW 第181 2 TOCCUPIESUS MORGUPDATESWILLLOW
Moments ago China attacked Taiwan. As China claims that Taiwan is its province, the U.S. Army is sending warships and aircraft to stop major attacks. This is CNN News signing off. Alert, China has threatened the US with nuclear weapons. In President Xi Jinping, in his own words, we have for many years trying to obtain the province of Taiwan. We shall not let the US get involved with something that's not their problem. I shall use nuclear weapons not on the US but on any other country who interferes with the unification of People's Republic China.
Breaking news, many people across the U.S. are ethically looting the stores as many people are afraid that China will launch an attack on the U.S.
Alert if you in these following cities please listen to this urgent message. These cities are in the range of nuclear attack. These include New York City, New York, Washington D.C., District of Columbia, San Diego, California, Dallas, Texas, Richmond, Virginia, Boston, Massachusetts, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Cleveland, Ohio, Austin, Texas, San Francisco, California, Los Angeles, California, Denver, Colorado, San Antonio, Texas, and Houston. If you're a 50-mile range of these cities, go to a nuclear bunker. If you can't find a bunker, the authorities will guide you to one. Follow for more updates.
Breaking news: Russia attack Poland from the Baltic Sea and enact war. Poland has declared Article 5 and all NATO members will join this war. Intel from Moscow as Russia is planning on send their entire army. Israel is as of right now is still at war with Iran, and also many of the global trade has been reduced to the China-Taiwan war. This is BBC News signing off.
Alert! China has launched a nuclear missile at Los Angeles. We will respond to this. We are the United States of America. Stay hopeful, citizens, as we will free Taiwan from China, but Los Angeles will be destroyed.
の場合は、ボイスウェアまで連絡をお願いします。ノースコリアハズローンチド A ニュークリアアタックオンジーズフォローイングシティーズ大阪、東京、札幌、神戸、福岡、名古屋 If you are in A50 マイルラジウスオブジーズシティーズプリーズ Go to the nearest nuclear shelter in Dentry or you will die.
We have an important update about the Russian-NATO war. The United Kingdom has launched a nuclear missile at Moscow. Another news: the US has declared martial law due to instability in the major cities. Israel and Iran have made peace with each other. Russia has launched nukes at Germany, France, Poland, and Ukraine. Stay tuned for more updates.
A nuclear missile at the City of Paris. The French Prime Minister vient for a meeting. The will change the capital to Lyon. The government of the France a launched 5 nukes à Russie at the civil target Saint-Pétersbourg, Rostov-on-Don, Moscow, and Volgograd. Join us for more updates.
As of recent, the United States and Russia has launched all of their nuclear missiles. All of the targets such as Texas, California, Michigan, New York, Washington, Montana, Illinois, Ohio, and Nevada. May God bless America. Goodbye for the last time.